Do you know that intuition is like a hidden superpower we all possess? Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll dive deep into the fascinating world of intuition and how it can transform your life. Intuition is the ability to understand something immediately, without the need for conscious reasoning. It's that gut feeling, that inner voice guiding us in making decisions. Let us understand the significance of intuition in daily life. In our busy lives, intuition helps us make quick decisions, enhances creativity, and strengthens relationships. It's that sense that warns us of danger or nudges us toward a great opportunity. Developing intuition can result in life-changing benefits. Imagine being more confident in your choices, deeply understanding yourself and others, and having a reliable inner guide. Developing intuition can bring all this and more into your life. And now let us understand a step-by-step process to master intuition. Step 1. Reflect on past intuitive moments. Here one can spend time reflecting on past experiences where intuition played a significant role. Step 2. Practice mindfulness and meditation. It helps to tune into inner thoughts and feelings. Step 3. Listen to your gut feelings. One must pay attention to gut feelings and physical sensations during decision-making. Step 4. Keep a journal of intuitive thoughts. You can document intuitive thoughts and experiences to recognize patterns. Step 5. Spend time alone. Spending time alone is necessary to hear your inner voice without external influences. Step 6. Trust your instincts. Act on intuitive insights and observe the outcomes. Step 7. Learn from mistakes. Reflect on situations where ignoring intuition led to negative results. Step 8. Practice regularly. Incorporate intuition exercises into daily routines to strengthen this skill. Developing intuition isn't without challenges. Doubts, overthinking, distractions, and emotional interference can all hinder the process. But with patience and practice, you can overcome these obstacles. Would you rather require an intuition cheat sheet? Here are some quick tips to enhance your intuition. Stay present, be in the moment to better hear your inner voice. Engage in mindfulness. You should engage in regular mindfulness exercises. Use relaxation techniques. You should use deep breathing and relaxation to clear your mind. Ask yourself questions and listen. You can pose questions to yourself and listen to immediate responses. Spend time in nature. Please spend some quality time in nature to enhance your intuitive abilities. Limit distractions. Create a quiet space for introspection. Pay attention to body signals. Pay attention to physical sensations and reactions. Keep a dream journal. Keep a dream journal to tap into subconscious insights. This can be started by reflecting on questions first and then later on answers. Remember, intuition is a powerful tool we all have. Let's wrap up with some positive affirmations. Repeat after me. I trust my intuition. I trust my intuition. I trust my intuition. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. I am in tune with my inner wisdom. My intuition leads me to the right decisions. My intuition leads me to the right decisions. My intuition leads me to the right decisions. I listen to my inner voice. I listen to my inner voice. I listen to my inner voice. I am connected to my intuitive power. I am connected to my intuitive power. I am connected to my intuitive power. Believe in yourself and your intuitive abilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Stay intuitive.